Next example is you approximate the cube root of 27.05. Ano ba yung alam natin, di ba? Mas madali yung cube root of 27, which is 3. 3 cube yun eh, yung 27, di ba? So this is your ano magiging f of x natin? It's the cube root of x. Diba? Tapos ang a natin ay 27 dahil nga dito. So our f of a, ayun lang, yung cube root of 27 nga, which is 3. Tapos f prime of x, ito tayo. So diba, derivative yan ng, pwede natin isulat yan ng x raised to 1/3. Yan yung exponent niya. So pwede tayo mag-power rule, 1/3 x minus 1/3 minus 1, so that's 1/3 x raised to negative 2/3, or 1/3 x raised to 2/3, or 1/3 cube root of x squared. Yan ang f of x. Paano yung f of a? F prime of a pala. So substitute lang natin 1/3 cube root of 27 ang a natin eh, so squared. Okay, remember, your 27 is also 3 squared. 3 cube, di ba? Ano to eh, 3 cube to eh. Kaya nakalabas to sa kasi magka-cancel out yung cube sa cube root. So 3 cube times 3 cube kasi dalawang 27, di ba? Pwedeng lumabas pala yung dalawang 3. 1 over, out of the radical sign, 3 times 3 times 3. So our f prime of a is 1 over 27. We have our f of a, we have our f prime of a. We can get the linearization function of 27.05. F of a is 3 plus f prime of a is 1 over 27 times x minus a. Ano yung x natin? Sorry. It's 27.05. So this will be 3 plus 1 over 0.05 over 27. Minultiply na natin diretso, no? This is 0.05 yung magiging answer dito. Then we can, anong pwede natin gawin? We can multiply by 100 both the numerator and the denominator para maging 3 plus 5 over 2,700. Pwede natin gawing over 2,700 din to, yung 3. So times 2,700 lang numerator and the denominator. So this is 81 plus 5 over 2,700. So this will be 8105 over 2,700. Normally we accept this answer already kasi yung pangkuha lang naman, pang-check lang naman yung value, no, na kinukuha natin palagi. So this will be approximately 3.00185 repeating. Ang square root using a cube root using the calculator is 27.05. This will be 3.0018507. So almost the same. So this will be our answer for number 2.